easily record all your CAM expenses and reconcile all your CAM payments from your tenant.
Hi everyone, this is Meeta and today I'm going to show how to easily record all your CAM expenses. I'm using my commercial property manager spreadsheet, which you can get at my website moneyusage.com. I will also be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. This spreadsheet comes with 20 office spaces or 20 commercial tenants. Each tenant or unit has its own tab, as you can see over here. There is also a tab for the whole property, and this makes it very convenient to enter expenses for the whole property. And this is where we are going to be entering all our CAM expenses. I've already entered a couple of them, and let's enter another sample CAM expense. Enter the date. Choose the category of the expense. Let's say it's going to be CAM landscaping, and the amount is 150. You can choose a vendor if you like, and you can also enter notes, lawn maintenance. Enter another expense. Let's choose the category. Let's say this time it's going to be CAM janitorial services. Let's put that at 250. Again, you can choose a vendor if you like. Janitor supplies. All the expenses that you entered over here get automatically populated in the dashboard. If you go to the dashboard, you'll see they all got automatically pulled in the whole property. And here is your total CAM expenses. You will notice in the dashboard that CAM and non-CAM expenses are separated out. If you want to enter any non-CAM expenses for the whole property, once again go to the whole property tab, type in a date. Now let's choose something like tax. This is a non-CAM expense and it can be something like 1,500. If you go back to the dashboard, you'll see 1,500 has been entered into your taxes. Your total expenses are 2,295, which includes your total CAM and your other expenses, which are non-CAM. Now you can customize and change the names of all these CAM expenses and your other expenses by going into the settings tab. This is the expense categories. The first 4 categories have been kept for non-CAM expenses, and the remaining are all CAM expenses, and you can change the names as you like. I've kept some extra CAM expense categories. You can go in and change them as you need. For example, let's say this is going to be CAM light bulbs. You can also change the names of the existing CAM expenses. For example, CAM gas. If you don't need that, you can maybe change it to snow removal. Just go in and type over it, and that's it. You will notice that once you've made the changes here in the settings tab, it will get rolled out into the dashboard as well. You'll see the light bulbs, snow removal over here. If you go to your whole property and you go to your categories, those will also be listed out over here. Once again, it's snow removal, light bulbs, so it gets changed across the board. Another neat feature of the spreadsheet is the CAM reconciliation statement. If you go to the tab here, over here your actual CAM expenses get pulled in automatically from the dashboard, and this reconciliation statement also shows you what your budgeted CAM is, which you would enter. It shows you how much you've received from your tenants share of the CAM, and the difference. Today I only went over CAM expenses in the spreadsheet. However, there are many other features in the spreadsheet, and there is a more detailed video showing them, and I will be putting a link to that video as well.
I will be leaving a link to the spreadsheet in the description and comment section below. You can also reach me at my website moneyusage.com. If you like this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel, and I'll catch you on my next video.